What if the secret to glowing skin lies not in expensive creams but in simple, healthy drinks? In a world inundated with skincare products, the truth might surprise you. Certain wholesome beverages can nurture your skin from the inside out. Let's explore the top 6 healthy drinks that not only hydrate but also invigorate your complexion. To begin, let's take a look at the vibrant world of green smoothies. In the ever-evolving landscape of wellness, green smoothies emerge as a verdant elixir, captivating the senses and promising rejuvenation. This vibrant concoction, a synthesis of lush greens and nourishing fruits, is a testament to nature's bounty. With every sip, one can embark on a journey through a kaleidoscope of flavors and textures, enchanting the palate and invigorating the body. The foundation of a green smoothie often lies in leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, whose deep green hues reflect their wealth of vitamins and antioxidants. These ingredients play a crucial role in promoting skin health, as they are rich in nutrients that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. When combined with the natural sweetness of fruits like bananas or apples, the result is a harmonious blend that is not only delectable, but also a powerhouse for glowing skin. Infusing the smoothie with healthful add-ins such as chia seeds or avocados enhances its creamy texture while providing essential fats that promote hydration. Each ingredient is a brushstroke in the artistry of health, creating a vibrant masterpiece that nourishes from within. Thus, the green smoothie stands as more than just a drink. It is a celebration of vitality, an invitation to glow from the inside out. Next, we turn to the ever-popular turmeric latte, a golden beverage praised for its anti-inflammatory properties thanks to curcumin. In recent years, the humble turmeric latte has emerged as a beacon of wellness within the realm of vibrant beverages, captivating the hearts and palates of many in pursuit of radiant skin. Often dubbed golden milk, this enchanting concoction marries the earthy warmth of turmeric with the creamy embrace of coconut or almond milk, creating a delightful symphony of flavor and nourishment. The allure of the turmeric latte lies not solely in its taste, but in its potent health benefits. Turmeric, celebrated for its active compound curcumin, harbors remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This transformative spice works diligently to combat the signs of aging, promoting a youthful, luminous complexion. As one sips this elixir, the warmth envelops the senses, providing comfort while simultaneously urging the body towards detoxification and rejuvenation. This vibrant drink can be further enhanced with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a hint of ginger, amplifying its health benefits and elevating the taste experience. Each sip of the turmeric latte not only nourishes the body, but also serves as a reminder of the simple joys of mindful indulgence. In an age of fast-paced living, this golden brew invites one to pause, reflect, and embrace the brilliance of skin health through nature's bountiful offerings. Cucumber-infused water is another hydration gem worth mentioning. In the vibrant world of hydration, cucumber-infused water emerges as a luminous gem, celebrated not only for its refreshing qualities, but also for its remarkable benefits to skin health. Picture the delicate green slices of cucumber floating serenely in a crystal-clear pitcher, releasing their crisp essence into the water, creating a visual and sensory delight. The fusion of cool cucumber with pristine water produces a subtly flavored beverage that is both invigorating and rejuvenating. Cucumbers, renowned for their high water content, are infused with essential vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C and magnesium, both integral to promoting skin health. As you sip on this refreshing elixir, envision the hydrating molecules working their magic, encouraging the skin's elasticity and youthful glow. The antioxidants present in cucumbers combat skin inflammation and enhance complexion clarity, making every sip not just a moment of hydration, but an act of self-care. In a world where maintaining a healthy lifestyle is paramount, cucumber-infused water stands out as an invitingly simple solution. It is a delightful reminder that the journey to glowing skin can begin with the simplest of pleasures, welcoming you to savor nature's gifts with elegance and grace. The next contender is beet juice. In the vibrant tapestry of nature's offerings, beet juice emerges as a radiant elixir, celebrated not only for its tantalizing flavor, but also for its remarkable benefits to skin health. The deep crimson hue of beet juice is a testament to the abundance of antioxidants it harbors, specifically betalains, which possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work diligently to combat oxidative stress, ensuring that the skin retains its youthful vibrancy. When consumed, beet juice acts as an internal cleanser, purging the body of toxins and impurities that may otherwise manifest as dullness or blemishes. The high concentration of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and folate, nourishes the skin from within, promoting a complexion that is not only luminous but also resilient. Additionally, the natural sugars in beet juice provide a gentle energy boost, enhancing overall vitality, which reflects on our skin. This drink, when incorporated into a daily regimen, can transform an ordinary skincare routine into a holistic ritual, bridging nutrition and beauty. Thus, as one sips this earthy tonic, they partake in a tradition that honors wellness and revels in the beauty of nature's bounty. Moving on, we have coconut water. This hydrating beverage is an excellent source of potassium and electrolytes, helping to maintain skin hydration and balance. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology points out that proper hydration directly impacts skin texture, making it smoother and more radiant. Nature unveils one of its most exquisite elixirs, often referred to as a treasure chest for glowing skin. Hailing from the tropical palm, this invigorating beverage has transcended beyond mere hydration, becoming revered in the realms of health and beauty. The crystalline liquid, encased within the green coconuts, is not only refreshing but also rich in essential nutrients, making it a formidable ally for nourishing the skin. As one sips the sweet, slightly nutty concoction, the body is greeted by a myriad of benefits. Packed with electrolytes, vitamins, and antioxidants, coconut water works diligently to enhance skin health. It acts as a natural moisturizer, quenching the skin's thirst and providing a luminous glow. The presence of cytokinins, plant hormones known for regulating cell growth, encourages youthful skin, promoting rejuvenation and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Moreover, the hydration it provides helps in flushing out toxins, ensuring a clear, radiant complexion. Thus, coconut water emerges not merely as a beverage, but as a nurturing potion, encapsulating the essence of wellness and beauty, appealing to those who seek to unlock the secret of timeless radiance. Sip on coconut water throughout the day for an effortless glow. Lastly, let's not overlook the complexities of berry smoothies. In the vibrant world of health and wellness, berry smoothies emerge as a radiant elixir, celebrated not only for their delectable tastes, but also for their myriad benefits to the skin. The complexities of these concoctions lie in their rich composition of fruits, each offering unique virtues that intertwine to create a restorative blend. Picture a velvety amalgamation of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, each bursting with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, one of the principal culprits behind premature aging. As the blender whirs, the vibrant hues of these berries create a kaleidoscope of color, transforming simple ingredients into a visual feast that is as appealing to the eyes as it is nourishing to the skin. The depth of flavor is accompanied by the natural sweetness of honey or agave, and a dash of coconut water or almond milk enhances both texture and moisture. The synergy of these components results in a refreshing drink that works tirelessly to promote hydration and luminosity. Each sip invites the drinker into a refreshing experience, reminding us that nature's offerings can be both exquisite and beneficial. Thus, berry smoothies stand proudly as a cornerstone of a diet aimed at achieving that enviable glow. In conclusion, incorporating these 6 healthy drinks into your daily routine not only supports your overall health, but also offers immense benefits for your skin. So, the next time you're parched, consider what you're choosing to hydrate with. Ultimately, a glass of the right beverage may hold the key to that coveted, luminous glow. There you have it. Which one are you trying first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, continue.